mensen, it's your boy Super Lishy and welcome to the Daily Drive once again. Vandaag Gia, aka Mr. B, the white Mark 1, is getting his sound upgraded. So yeah, stick around for more content, and if you're a new subscriber or a new viewer, please do so. Please subscribe, invite more people to subscribe. And yeah, we're on the road to 1K subscribers, so just a few subscribers left. And thank you so much for your support, guys. It really motivates me to create more content like this. Yeah, stay tuned. Also. Yeah, guys, we went to Cash Crusaders and got these RCA cables, and yeah, this is the whole setup. But it's gonna be a temporary setup for the time being, because this box is not the box that he's actually looking for. But yeah, we will see when time goes. But yeah, stay tuned, stay locked in, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you haven't liked the video, please do so. It's the right thing to do, support local YouTube channels. But yeah, let's keep it going. So if you also need your sound upgraded or whatever that you need for your car sound, you can come here to Minata or Car Audio Works here in Cosmo City, Extension 0. Yeah, you'll see everything here. You'll get what you want here. Noma kanjani. So yeah, stay locked in. To me, Naramugongo. Lotati.
Two hours later.
The sound is coming together, forever.
I need to say Spotify, man. You are too.
Just then.
Jama phone call, you tell the casual Sam.
Soft and gentle.
Cruise.
I'm gonna cruise nice. I'm gonna hey, I get it.
Many months later.
Guys, and please subscribe to this video for more. So you guys have to subscribe to my video. See ya. Bye.
Back then kadina go tsa motsokwana re ipetela savana re binela rihan